Well, here we go. Here we go. Yes, here we go again. Here we go again. Great. Wonderful. All right. Oh no, I forgot my water. Don't tell anybody. I'm going to get it. Don't tell anyone. I'll be back. Okay, I got my water now. I only forgot a little bit. No big deal. Try not to freak out about it. It's just water. Okay. Well, what a thing to say. Now that I've wiped the sleep from my eyes and I got my water, everything's great. Welcome back to another day of Meta Game Jam review. So close to the end, mic bump, of this journey that I have been on for so long. This is number 12, or 11. Is it 11? I think it's 11. It's 11. Number 11. Let's check out some comments while we get started here. This is about Duck Jam. Thanks. If you'd like to see more done with the game, then you're in luck. We got plenty more in store for updates. We'll look into the issue you had with the DDR stage. Thanks for letting us know. Absolutely. For Bonti. This is Point and Click Adventure 2018. This is the sweetest comment possible. Thank you very much. I am the sweetest comment possible. You're welcome. Squid Ink. Well, I can't say I didn't enjoy it, but I wanted a little more. The collisions were a bit crazy. Maybe a build I could go in or two. Overall, great work. Thank you for your feedback. The reason it might seem slightly underdeveloped is down to the time limitations of the game. Thank you for your comment. No problem. Pure awesome. They did. Meta Addict. Oh my gosh. There's actually an option to do work. Take a look in the bottom left corner. It was kept kind of secret-ish on purpose. Oh, tricksy hobbitses. Tricksy hobbitses. I'll have to check this out in the future. So apparently there was an option to do work. That's shifty. I can't say that I noticed that at all. Okay. Anyway, we're going to go ahead and get on with the review. So we're going to start today with Baldi's Basics in Education and Learning. Learn with Baldi in his first fully 3D interactive schoolhouse. Just don't get any questions wrong. Oh god. Is this a horror game? Dang it. This is submitted by Mistman12 and it's a team of 1. Solo. Alright. Well, this looks like a horror game. Dang it. Why? Graphics quality is 1999. That's amazing. I didn't know you could update the graphics quality thing. That's kind of awesome. Warning. In case you haven't figured it out yet, this game is intended to be a horror game. Of course it is. As such, it has loud noises, flashing images, and an overall pretty spoopy. Well, at least it's supposed to be. If you downloaded this thinking it would be great entertainment for your kid or something, don't let them play it. Unless, of course, you enjoy horror games. You've been warned.
Welcome to Baldi's Basics in Education and Learning. That's me.
How to play. Controls. WASD to move, mouse to look around, left click pick up objects, open doors, other interactions, use selected item, change selected item, shift run, watch your stamina. Space, look behind you and wave goodbye to your friends. Oh no. Story. Oh no, school is out, but your friend has a problem. He left all his notebooks in school. He doesn't have time to get them because if he does, he'll be late for eating practice. Prakaitka. To help him out, you have to go to the school and find all 7 of his notebooks for him. It won't be easy though. Baldi loves challenging his students with fun trivia problems whenever he can. Each time you find a notebook, you'll have to answer some questions. Answer all 3 correctly and you'll earn a prize. Find all 7 notebooks, then exit the school to win. Okay, so this is a Slender Man parody.
Oh, hi.
Hi.
Welcome to my schoolhouse.
Hey, thanks. It's so bright and cheery, it's terrifying.
You need to collect 2 notebooks before you can use these doors.
Oh, okay. No entering faculty. No breaking the 4th wall. Are these items I can pick up? Oh, I can't look up and down at all.
Now it's time for everybody's favorite subject, math. Answer the 3 questions correctly, and you might get something special. Just type the correct answer into the empty box. Press the Enter key on your keyboard when you think you have the right answer. Problem 1. 5 minus 5.
That's really loud.
equals- Great job. That's right. Problem 2.
Thanks, Baldi.
2 minus 7.
I have such anxiety already. -5.
Great job.
Thanks.
That's right. Problem
Good.
3
I don't want to anger you in any way.
plus 3 equals
8.
Great job.
Wow, you exist.
Right.
Thanks, Baldi. Okay.
You did great. Come here and get your prize.
Okay.
Tiny quarter. Just click on it with the left mouse button to pick it up. Then, when you find something you can use it on, right-click on the object with the quarter selected.
Okay.
That's how you use items, you know.
I was trying to see if I could turn down the music because it's hella loud. Okay. Sorry, ran out of time to add more subjects.
Now it's time for everybody's favorite subject, math.
Math.
Answer the 3 questions. Great job.
18. What? What did I... Wait. I get angry for every problem you get wrong. What the frick? This is terrifying now. Yeah, this is Slender Man's adopted little brother, and it is terrifying me all of a sudden. I'm pretty sure he's walking around getting ready to paddle some booty with a ruler. He's gonna smack that booty with a flip-flop. Oh, God. I didn't mean to get a question wrong. I'm gonna open the door. Where are you, Baldi? Why is the door closed now? Okay, I'm sorry I got it wrong. I mean, I did miss a basic math question. We're gonna quit and we're gonna start over. Because I don't want to get a question wrong this early. It would make me very sad. 5. 13. 2. Okay. I wonder if I got it right and it's just... I think I got it wrong. I legitimately think I missed a basic addition question. Thanks. Oh, whoa. Okay. 7. This is definitely 4. Uh.
Plus times equals
It forces you to get questions wrong. Why don't you just throw... Why don't... Okay. So it forces you to get questions wrong. Where is he? Does he just always sound like he's... Oh, hello. Oh. What the frick was that? What the hell was that? Oh my goodness. This is stressful. Can he not... He can't teleport, can he? He's not Slender Man, so... That wouldn't make sense, I think. School faculty only. Place lore here. I got a locky lock. He's gonna be very close. There are other children just running around. I don't like this. Oh, Jesus. Okay. 8, 7, 0. You're forced to get an answer wrong every time. He probably speeds up or some such nonsense. And he's right outside this door. This is not going to go well. Oh, frick. Yep, he definitely speeds up. I'm just going to sprint to the next door and hope for the best. Maybe I could go to the other side of the school and try getting notebooks over there. Due to unknown reason, you have absolutely nothing to do with your game design. School faculty cannot currently see through windows. Cool. Glad that they can't see through windows. Oh, Jesus, he is fast. I am not all about this. Can I get a soda? Nothing. I used my quarter, though. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Can you not? This is actually very stressful, and I do not appreciate... 25 cents, really? That's where I was supposed to use the quarter? F me. He's gonna get so much faster. Honestly, I have no idea how I'm gonna be able to do this. I threw the soda. Oh. Oh, God. How am I supposed to get this other quarter? He's definitely going to catch me. Oh, God. Get out of here. Get out of here. Ah! Let's not... Oh, I'm getting caught by this. Jesus. I forgot I can look behind myself. How am I supposed to get through this without him catching me? Oh my God. No! Frick, come on. I do not enjoy this. Oh, God. Oh, God. 8, 1. I hear every door you open. Jeez. Okay, well, this is very stressful, and I am not appreciating it. I've only got 4 notebooks, and I'm pretty sure he's going to catch me. Oh, my God. No, no, no. Oh god, I got stuck on the door. Just keep running.
In the hall.
Oh god, oh god, oh god. He told me not to run in the halls. I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry.
15 seconds. Detention for you. You should know better.
Oh, what? What? Oh. Well, that's enough of that. I may go back and finish that at a later date. That's too stressful for me. Man, that's okay. All right. Okay. That's fair. That's exactly what I expected it to be. It was well done. I really like the extra mechanics of like the stupid jump rope thing and getting detention for running in the halls. Like, come on. It makes sense. I'll finish this at a later date because it's too stressful. There's another horror game on here too that I'm not looking forward to. So overall, very well done. Very meta. Very unique. Gameplay innovation. I'm only going to give it 4 because it's still just Slender Man. But it is different. But it was annoying. Okay, fun. I had a lot of fun. Humor, very funny. Audio was super good. Aesthetically, could have been much, much better. Left a lot to be desired. I hated this. I hated this. Why? Stupid jump rope. I will go back and beat this later, but I won't like it. Amazing work. That was stressful. That was called Baldi's Basics in Education and Learning by Mistman12. Slenderman clone, because everybody loves Slenderman games. Everybody. So wonderful. Okay. Woo! Okay, moving on. Just Push the Button by El Gregos. It's a team of 1. Let's check this one out. Hopefully a lot less stressful than the last installment. Let's go to full screen. Pico 8. Just push the button. An incredibly short game. Use arrow keys to move pointer. How do I use OC for any action? Say like pushing the button. Sorry, had no time for a tutorial. It was a game jam, you know. So you'll have no preparation. Don't rush. There's electricity involved. But you can press enter for help. I have tried time these rod. Enough talking. It's time to play. Just push the button. An incredibly short game. Well, a bit less short now. If you're stuck, press O or C. Or 0. No. Press it any time, anywhere. Anger and despair. It might give results. Still here? Yes, I am. Oh gosh, I love Cookie Clicker. I'll tell you what. I played so much Cookie Clicker. Well, if you're still stuck, can you do me a favor? Sure. What's the favor? What do you want? The title's H has a problem. I already clicked on it. It really spoils the effect. Can you fix it for me, please? I think I already did. It works now. Yeah, maybe I already did that. I did. In which case, why this message? Is there something else to do? Well, I'm just a scroll text. But still, hooray! There's a game to play. Is there? Just push the button. I just want to. An incredibly short game. Oh, is it gonna use arrow keys to move pointer. Use OC for any action. Say like pushing the button. It just makes a sound. Sorry, had no time. I don't think there's any more to that. That's beautiful. I love them. Short and sweet. Short and easy. Wait. Wait, what? There's more to this game? Wait, what? Holy crap. What is this? Most of these notes are useless. You figure it all out by yourself. Nobody remembers who wrote them anyway. You don't have to trust me. X to close. Hi, little guy. I want to click on you. Scope, global, type, UI, complexity 1, learn 0%. I enhance the RPG flavor with tiny stats showing up and right. Learned. No. Yes. Ooh, cool. What does this do? Your stats show your ability to read code. You'll have no problem learning functions that fit your ability, but you won't gain a lot of experience, which is shown by the little bar below. Wait, what? You'll have no problem learning functions that fit your ability, but you won't gain a lot of experience. Oh, okay. Ooh. Oh, the pit opens up. Dang. Scope, global, type, gameplay, complexity 1, learn 0%. I add respawn points. Press enter to go to the nearest one. You'll never lose again. Awesome. Confirm. Yes. Respawn. Hell yeah. Okay, that's cool. Oh no. Not gravity. Global type controls complexity 5. I've ease out pointer before it stops. Nice but slippery. Can I learn complexity 5? I don't know, but I'm gonna try. Not implemented yet. None. A bit. Normal. A lot. Glissando. Glissando. Inherent. I don't know what that actually did for me, but I appreciate you doing it. What is it? I ease out pointer before it stops. Nice but slippery. Oh, okay, if you say so. Type local. Type controls. Complexity 5. Learned 0. I join inner screen exits instead of outer screens if possible. That's 50% more puzzling. Oh, that's cool. Now I'm gonna scroll around the screen. Inherit. Wait, what? Yes. Ho ho ho, look at that. No. No. There we go. Oh, frick, jeez. Frick, jeez. Weekly top 40. Oh gosh. There's so many little guys here. Complexity, or scope, local, controls. Complexity 10. I set controls for a platformer instead of a top-down game. Okay. I ease out pointer before it stops. Nice but slippery. I put a question mark above each unknown function head. More useful than a hat. Can I learn this? Let's learn it. We're learning how to function in code. This is so much more in depth than I originally thought. Yes. Okay. I turn your screen to the old monochrome monitor because retro is besto. Why not? Freaking go for it. Let's do it. Get wrecked. Green, gray, green. Wait, gray. Oh, not implemented yet. I see. Okay. So these are all functions of the game that are supposed to be here. They're just not ready yet. I join the inner corners of the screen instead of outer if possible. I add respawn points. I trigger sounds to enhance your playing experience. Not implemented yet. I show CPU and RAM stats. I feel like a real dev. Wow, 169K. Wow, this is eating up all of my RAM. I only have 256-bit. Just kidding. I enhance the RPG flavor with tiny stats. Okay, yeah. Yeah, I've already done that. I add respawn points. Yeah. I join the inner corners. I add some black magic to clip CPU use and help at 60 frames per second as much as possible. Okay. 62.2% CPU usage. That's a lot. That's more than I would normally want. Not implemented yet. Okay. I set some code optimizations to use less CPU, but uses more RAM. Oh, I see. So there's probably eventually going to be sections that require you to up or to increase or lower the CPU and RAM usage. Global, type, controls, complexity, 20. I make the button clickable. I wonder why anybody set me off. People get sued for less. Let's learn how to turn the control back on. Let's do that. That way we can beat the game. We can just click the button. It'll be no big deal. I feel like it's going to be the goal to fix this game from inside. Sort of Metroidvanian. You go around collecting code tidbits and stuff, and cool. So this is Code Island. Oh, you can get it in two different ways. I see. I see. Great, wonderful. What have I done? If a function takes too much time to learn, you can close it at any time. What you learn won't be lost. Okay. Nice. I want to go down there. Respawn. Boop. I join inner corners of your screen if possible. Okay, what do you guys do? I close other functions API. You may read their description, but not set them. Okay, that seems cool. This game is pretty neat. I don't think it is. Yeah, most of the stuff isn't. I obfuscate code so that no one could read that, not even devs. Yeah, it seems like it's a little bit unfinished. So they put a lot in here, but they only have so many functions working. That makes total sense. This is a team of one, so doing all this stuff by yourself is always fun, right? Okay. I annex a part of the code SSD to emulate almost infinite RAM. Okay. Of that cute SSD. Ha! Ha ha ha. Yes, that is a thing that people do. It's cool that they're bringing in stuff like this too. It would have been nice to see how they were going to implement it. They obviously had some idea of what they were wanting to do with this stuff. I changed colors of that dev UI. Enough of those old greens. Bring modern colors. Functions have many types, each one having their own color. UI, user interface, is blue. Control is pink. Gameplay is gray. Development functions are dark blue with deep blue eyes. How do I get inside there? I don't think I can. In fact, I feel like I might be stuck forever. Yes. Honestly, I think I'm stuck. Oh wait, no, I'm stupid. I can respawn up here. Minify code said it's hard to read. Okay. Cool. Do that. Alright. I had all functions around you, you know, for security reasons. This doesn't affect myself, though. Okay. That seems cool. Let's learn everything. Why don't we try to learn everything? Because learning is fundamental. Reading is fundamental. I forgot how to read. Bloop. Bloop. Okay, well, there's nothing over here. Oh, shoot. I don't suppose I can just jump up here. Maybe if I don't fail utterly. Come on. Oh, no. I don't think I can. Oh, wow. Whoa. I guess that might be how I get up to that other spot. Whoa, sweet. That was really nifty. Pew. Oh my gosh. Bounce off. That's right. Type local controls. Complexity 10. I set controls for a platformer instead of a top-down game. Yes. No. Okay. That's neat. There's one function over there that I haven't gotten to yet, so we're going to try and get that one. Oh no. I don't want to scroll right now. Wait, there's no path that leads to that guy? Yeah, where's the path, man? That's cheating. Okay. Oh, I can get up here now. Global functions have legs and affect all the games. Local functions have no legs and affect the current screen only. Local functions overshadow global ones. That's really cool. That's very, very neat. I think that's every bit of code that's in here at this moment. Very cool game. I'm gonna go just push the button. Thanks for playing. Awesome. Awesome work. I'm glad I went to the comment section because I did not figure out that there was more to this game at all. I'm glad. I am glad. That made the overall experience so much better. Yeah, I definitely missed the actual game on this one the first time. But, you know, that happens. So, overall, we're going to give this one a 4. It needs a little more. I know, obviously, that we have a limited amount of time. But, I mean, you got to be judged a little bit for what you can get done. Just a little bit. Meta-ness quality. Very meta. Very unique. Gameplay innovation. I'm going to give it 3 because it needs a little more. It's got a lot of plans, and it's going to be awesome. Fun. Very fun. It was sort of funny, but only in the beginning. Nothing in the extra. Audio was a little lacking. Aesthetically, very pleasing. This game was awesome. I am glad. I am glad that I what is it? What did I do? Oh, found the real game by reading the comments. That made the experience so much better. I look forward to seeing more development, as it will be a really neat experience. Thanks. No. Wonderful job. I also realized I missed a screen because I had the scrolly bar on, but that's okay. We're going to move on. That was Just Push the Button by El Gregos. So, next, we have a game called You Make the Game, which reminds me a lot of what we just played. This is by Green Box Games. Oh, look, there's green boxes. So meta. Only in mono for some reason. You make the game. Your task begins here. Press space to begin to continue. Hey there, player. As you can see, you're playing a video game. And as for me, I'm the game developer. I was going to make an amazing game, but then I had a thought. Why should I have to do all the work when you'll be the one who's having fun playing the game? So I decided that you have to make this game. I'll be here to help, of course. Now let's get you in my computer. Welcome to the control screen. Here you'll be programming controls for the game character. For the game's character. You'll do that by dragging the keys into their slots. Try dragging the W key into its slot. Oh no, the W key is broken. You can fix it by dragging the two pieces into the rainbow combination area. If you ever need to combine two items, drag them both into the combination area. Whoop, shadoop. Well done, I'll let you do the rest. Pew, 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 bing. Oh, A melted. Frick. Crap, I have a virus. I guess that's what I get for going on all those sketchy websites. We have a bigger problem though. Your A key was corrupted. Now you need to complete you need it to complete this part of your game. We'll try to combine some stuff into another A. That and that. Whoa, clip and that. What does that say? These items are too close together? Okay. Hiya. 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 There's lots of keys in here. Glad there's so many of them. Oh, there we go. That's what I was trying to do before. Bam! Great job. Now to the next stage. Welcome to the sprite editor. Try drawing something by selecting the paintbrush and a color. Yellow. It's a smiley face. Nice. Do some more. It's a smiley face with a big nose and some contour. Like really dark orange contour. Yeah. Oh no. The sound effects and the music are very good in this. Dang, the sprite editor corrupted my editing program. I have a backup, but there's one problem. I don't have any color files in my backup, so you'll have to navigate the virus program and retrieve the ones you lost. I'm going to open my file navigation program. Use the arrow keys to navigate it. Good luck. Ooh. This reminds me of... Nobody's going to remember this game. There was like a 3D Johnny Quest adventure on the PC. And there was a level like this where you had to like connect all of the lines together and make the code happy. That's what this reminds me of. Frick, 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 frick. I just died again. Oh, is there? Oh, you start at the last color you collected. Wow. Wow. Frankincense. Wow. I think this is the safest place to be. We're going to make it all the way to green this time. All the way. Red, orange. No, we need yellow because we're doing colors in order. Red, orange, yellow, green. Wow, that was close. Green, blue, purple. red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. And then we'll do probably gray and then black. Why not? Bam. Oh, rude. That was hella rude. Come on. Get out of me. Ba-da-da-da. Yes, you did it. Now you could really make your character sprite. Press the green checkbox when you're done. This combat music is really great. Actually, I'm really digging this. It makes me feel pumped, happy. Okay, we're gonna restore Mr. Smiley Face with a really huge eye. Gonna give him some beautiful lips. Shh, they're beautiful. We're gonna, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. Oh no, come on. I'm trying to make him have beautiful lips, not chunky chunk lips. Oh no, 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 come on. Why won't this red pixel go away? This is highly unnerving. We're gonna put a black. Yes, beautiful. Oh my god, girl. Now we're gonna go ahead and contour it. We're gonna chisel that face out. Oh yeah, don't forget your nose. Whoops. Straight lines, straight lines. The pixel won't go away. Oh no. How do I? Oh yeah, yeah. That's red. That's the opposite of the color we wanted. Oh yeah. Oh hell yeah. Now you're gonna have a frick. It's red again. You're gonna have a cute nose, cause that's cute. And then your eyebrows need to be on fleek, so we're gonna add some eyeshadow. Hell yes. Oh my god, girl, you looking so good. So good. And then eyebrows are gonna be pretty beautiful. Beautiful. Wow. And now you need a face outline, because you need a big broad chin, obviously. Oh god. Big broad pointy chin. Hell yeah, that's our character right there. Love it. Chunky's beautiful too, but you know, that's why we have makeup, because sometimes we don't want to look chunky. We want to look creamy, like peanut butter. Now it's time for the hard part. For this stage, you'll need to retrieve some asset files I have somewhere on my hard drive. The files contain everything you need to complete your game, but the virus has infested those areas where the files are being stored, so I'm going to give you control of a file retrieval drone. Some very important things to remember while using the drone are: W is your jump button, A and D move your drone, press space button to attack and hold, down shift to boost. Great. Make sure you remember you cannot attack while boosting. Oh no. Well, I think that's everything. Good luck. Woo! Oh, wow. Why am I so slow? Oh, man, I spawned into damage. Lord, the controls on this are not very... Got it. Controls on this are a little bit goofy as hell. As hell. Great, I'm glad I died. Really? I was doing so well. Oh, I forgot to boost. Obviously. Boosted. It's fine. I got the file, so that's all that matters. This little drone doesn't mean anything to me. Come on, let's get going here. Oh, frick. Okay, we got it. Okay, bye. Alright, let's get going. Here we go. This little drone is pretty awesome. I really like the animation on this bad boy. Hey, look at that. The controls aren't too bad in this section, but they are not super easy either. There's a fair amount of checkpoints, so it makes it a lot less painful in this section. Oh, frick. We're going down. I'm not doing that. I got a file. How do I get up there? Can I literally just like use that to catapult myself? Catapult myself up? I bet I can. Woo! Woo! Oh, I can't. Not far enough. Don't fall down or you'll have to do all this over again. Your favorite thing to do. Things again. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's rodeo. Are you kidding me? If there's one thing I've learned in this game jam, I cannot jump and go upward at the same time. Like, I just can't. I'm not good at that. If I try to go up, I screw up somehow. Although the collisions may be a little bit tormenting in this part, but you know, that's just what happens when you exist. Whoop. Shoot da bloop. Hey, I did it. Okay, we got that one. Perfect. Now we'll move on to the next one. Let's get some more files. Honestly, I really wish this game wasn't in mono. Stereo would be so much better. There's really good music and sound effects in here. I don't know if there's something I can do to change that. I don't think so. I think that just comes down to terrible coding and terrible life. So just remember, if you have a game and it's bad, it is this game. Just kidding. This game is pretty good. Alright. Frick. Let's get going. Come on. Jump, 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 jump. Alright. This should be the last file. There we go. Well done! Welcome to the internet. Well, not actually. It's an upload program I use for games. Control your file with the arrow keys and get to the green upload port. Do well. Okay. Arrow keys. It's weird that you go between WASD and arrow keys. Oh, I see. It's a bit strange, but I see how to get there now. No big deal. That's right. We in here. We in there. I love ice mechanics. These ice mechanics are my jam. Like, I played Pokemon as a kid. Ice mechanics are every kid's favorite mechanics that exist in the whole world because they just are. Well, that was questionable. Wait, what is my actual goal here? I'm trying to get there. So I just, this is not that hard. I don't know why I'm overcomplicating things. Silly hat raid. Lovely. Marco Polo Dev. Hello. Hello, raiders. This is beautiful. How are you people? Welcome to Meta Game Jam Review. And welcome to this game. Whatever it is. It's by Green Box Games. It's lovely, as you can see. It's got great music. It's got great everything. It's got sliding puzzles. It's, what more could you ask for? Nothing. 'Cause we in there. I feel you can't hear music. Why not? I suppose I could turn it up. It's in only mono, so I'm not sure if that affects things. I'm pretty terrible at streaming. Turns out I'm not great at this. I am showing game audio flowing into the stream, lovely and unabated. So I'm not sure. I'm not good enough to figure things out in mid combat. So I'm sorry. I'm sorry if I'm a disappointment to you. I just appreciate your presence. I need friends. All right, we in there. Oh, the virus. Wonderful. Lovely. Yeah, it's the game. For some reason, this game only has left ear going. It's just a thing that happens. I'm not sure if it's a limitation of the platform. I did submit a game to the Game Jam. Let me go ahead and pull that up for you so you can go ahead and take a look. It's pretty great. It's probably #1 best game in all of the Jam. I mean, not to brag or anything, but there's a link. That is White Gorge. It's a game that a friend and I developed, and it's our second game ever, so be harsh. We need to learn. That's how you learn. Ah! Crap, the virus just corrupted the entire game file. Everything. It's all gone. Yeah, Xavier hosted this one. He also hosted the last one we did, which was the movie game jam, which we failed utterly at. It was awesome. Everything, it's all gone. No, the virus must be destroyed. Oh, hell yeah. Amazing Mechanic Theater. Oh god. What? How am I supposed to dodge this? Oh, I see. No. Frick. You failed! Don't let it happen again. Destroy the virus. I'm doing my best. Why you gotta be like that? Oh, I can do a little strafey strafe on this level. Nice. Well, I tried to get out. We're just gonna blow it down. Blow it down. Burn phase. There we go. Get out of here, buddy boy. You out of here. You did it! Good job. Thanks to you, my computer is safe, but your game is not. Oh man, that's a bummer. I really am enjoying reviewing these games. Last time we did the Game Jam, I did nothing. I didn't review any games. I didn't look at any comments. I did freaking nothing. So I thought I'd be a much better dev this time and give back to the community, since, you know, everyone I've met here has been super cool, very nice. So I have been really enjoying it. I'm trying to get through every entry in this one. Out of 117, I think I'm about 75 or 80 now, so I don't know. I have some crazy life stuff going on soon, so I'm probably going to give a break for a bit. I need to get through some more tutorials and things that I bought and learn more. I need more knowledge behind my belt, although jams are a hell of a good way to learn. Yeah, playtesting so many games. There's been so many good games in this. It's been so worthwhile. There's been a couple that are a little underdeveloped, but that's to be expected. Most of everything is awesome. And I know I want people to play my games, so I figured if I play as many as I can, good on me. I'm sorry, but you did make a game, even though we still cannot play the game you made. Thank you. I think that might be end of this one. Yeah, man, it's so worthwhile. And you learn a lot. It's really taught us a lot about what we can do and what is possible to do in the time limit. I mean, we had a fairly large scope for us. It was pushing it for us, but I'm sure someone else would have been able to busted that out in no time. It's made Game Maker Studio 2. I can go now. Cool. That game was really awesome. That was by Greenbox Studios. Or Games. Greenbox Games. I'm sorry, forgive me. You make the game. That was really neat. I liked it. It's kind of a twist I've seen a few times in this game jam. But I really enjoyed how it was implemented. Is that so? Yeah, I don't know. My partner in crime decided to do the movie game jam. We set a goal to do some game jams this year because we want to improve, and we're hoping that we can start putting this into a real world application. He's getting his PhD in something fancy, I think brain computer interfacing or something like that, maybe. I hope I'm not wrong. And so we're hoping that we can bring game dev and VR and other knowledge. And what's one thing I learned during this game jam? What I learned is that you don't have to make it pretty. In fact, you shouldn't make it pretty. Everything in our game is like ugly, hard coded. The back end is ugly. Obviously, the game itself is beautiful, but man, you just got to chunk it out. There is room for optimization later, but you get that thing to work and you scope it out well and you just go for it. That's what I learned. Don't make things perfect. If you make things perfect, you waste all your time. This one's gameplay innovation was very, very cool. I didn't really like the mechanics on the robot so much. They were a little bit sticky. Fun, very fun, pretty humorous. Audio was great, except for the mono. Mono makes me sad. Aesthetics, very nice. Very good work overall. This was, whoa. This was a freaking neat concept. Well scoped and implemented. Yes. Game engine of choice, mine is Unity. I just like Unity, and I know for the most part it's way more powerful and robust than we probably need, especially just starting out. But that's what really draws me to it. It's like the original free dev kit, developer platform, the thing. It's the original. So I love it. My partner Stormy does not love it. Well, he loves it. He just is terrified of it. It's like, it's too powerful. What are we gonna do? And so we've been learning that, and I've been forcing him to learn as much as I can force him to learn. Plus, that's what I bought all my tutorials for a couple of years ago, so might as well use it if I've got some background information and some things I can use to learn on Udemy. A lot of good stuff on Udemy too. Great work. Post comment. All right, so that was You Make the Game, and that was by Greenbox Games. We're gonna go ahead and move on to E.T. Go Home. Play the classic game, same graphics, same bugs. Great. This game is meta because it is a parody of the worst game of all time. Or so it has been said. Oh, the good old classics you grew up with. Play the same game, same graphics, same bugs. Oh, this is gonna get painful. Made in Unity. Every time I see a game made in Unity, I tell everyone how biased I am. So exciting. E.T. Go Home. E.T. Go Home. Go home. Oh, he's gone. Did E.T. go home? Is that it? Is that it? Oh, I didn't lose much progress. Let's go take a look at the comments. Not much of a game, although I haven't played ET, so I can't appreciate the parody of this better than the original. I'm gonna be frank. I think that's all the gameplay we're gonna get out of this. Wow, the collisions are really, really good. I love the character. And then he's gone. Lovely, wonderful. That was quick and easy. Overall, I mean, I can't give you too high of a rating. Sorry. Meta-ness quality, so meta. Not very unique, but very meta. Gameplay innovation, fun, humor, audio, none to speak of. Aesthetics, could use a little bit of love. I'm ready for the Game of the Year edition. Grab me that goat, and I'll be right back here playing again. This was a lovely parody. I would say I want more, but I don't want to ruin the delicate balance of this game. Good job. Okay, well that was E.T. Go Home. That was by Wolf.Inc. Thanks for that. I'm glad that I played this. Mouse Clicker, submitted by QT01. This is going to be lovely. I can already tell it's going to be great. Made in Unity. Hey, look at that. Another game made in Unity. Love me some Unity games. Tier. You've clicked 0 times. Oh, I actually have to click on them. Oh, wow. I don't even actually have to click on it. Great. This is lovely. So, how's everyone been? Anyone here submitted a game to this game jam? I'll play it live if I haven't already. Even if I have played it already. Why not? I love playing stuff live. It's fun to do things with people. And there's not very many of you here, but that's okay. This game is... You're not a dev. That's okay. What are you then? What are you? I only do Ludum Dare. Feels bad, man. I mean, I'm a little disappointed, but I'm also not. I'm mostly just happy that I did this jam. Honestly, I've been going through a pretty stressful time, and doing the dev is it's a nice distraction from life, I'll tell you what. I'm a photographer. Haha. I just play test games and tell people they need to do more button feedback. I've made a lot of comments about feedback in this. Assurance and player experience expert. Well, that's great. Maybe you can help me be more an entertaining person overall. I'm an experience now because I'm on Twitch. Therefore, I'm almost like a game. Is that meta enough for this? I'm gonna submit this video to the Metagame Jam. Yeah, there was a couple. The first time someone popped in who was a dev on this jam and came in, I broke their game right in front of them. Flew off into infinity. It was lovely. I really enjoyed it. Alright, I've clicked 500 times, and I'm gonna go ahead and hazard a guess that that's literally it. It's so meta. Meta-ness quality is great. Not very unique, but great overall. I have to give it a 4 because I played Cookie Clicker so dang much. I played Cookie Clicker until the cows came home. I agree. Leaderboard would be freaking great on this game. It'd be amazing. I would be at the top of that leaderboard. I'd get an auto clicker. I'd do everything. Gameplay innovation. I can't judge it too easily, okay? I gotta be a little harsh. Fun. It actually was fun. because I enjoy the stupidity of it and the overall simplicity. Humor, great job. I love the smiley face. I'll give it 3. Audio, there was a clicking noise, so that's. You should compile a list of reviews and rate them from highest to lowest, most best, and to least worst. Wait, that's the same thing? Is that the same thing? That's not the same thing. I don't actually have to do the rating portion because it's been forever on that, right? Right? This, I don't think I'm going to do this next time. 117 entries, even though some of them are very, very, very short. They're just, it's a lot of time. I've been doing this. This is the 11th morning. Couple hours a morning. It's great. But it's a lot of freaking work. Let's see. I enjoyed the bit where I could click. I wish there was more tantalizing feedback. Does that sound good? Is that good? Tantalizing? How do you spell tantalizing? Tantalizing, not tantalizing. Who would have known? Good work. Red squiggly. Yum. Okay, that was Mouse Clicker by QT01. Really great. I'm going to save the spooky adventure game for later, because I love me some horror games. So, next we're going to play is Adventure Game Creator for the Metagame Jam, and this is submitted by somebody, probably. Probably should look at that before. Biggiston, team of 1. Alrighty. Let's run this game. Full screen now. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Adventure Game Jam Creator Metagame Jam. How do I move the mouse? Oh. Can I not do this in full screen? It doesn't work in full screen! Wonderful. -$1. Developer. Art/design. Combine. I have $0. How do I get money? Wait, what happened? Wait, what? What? Develop. Developer. Okay. Apparently you can start doing development at $0, which is what I've done. It's so meta. How do I get money though? How do I get? I'm gonna combine. That's right. You didn't see this coming, did you? What does this even do? Top quality feedback. We're just gonna keep clicking all these buttons until I get the game developed. What does this arrow do? Like, what is it? What is it? What is it there for? I don't know. Okay, well, it's got some very nice loading bars. Like, oh, I can publish now. Hell yeah, we're gonna publish this crap. It still costs money to publish, apparently. Not getting any feedback here. This is wonderful. This is great. Just keep clicking. Just keep clicking. I'm a little confused. What do I do? What do I do? Oh god, adventure capitalist. Pretty confusing not being able to publish without doing everything again. The 2 other pages seem to be different. Hey! Let's see. Arrow at the top is just to change the upgrade type. To publish, use the square. And I can make it 1 page, but I don't know it's better. Graph, center bar. To publish, use the square. That's what I was doing. How do I do anything else? Wait, did I make $1? I made $1. I made $5. Yes. I know, that's what I was thinking. Clicking on the coin goes to upgrade mode or something, but the feedback's still the same over here, other than this one number. I've got $10 now. Yes. I'm doing this great. Maybe this is supposed to say plus $5 because I've been getting dollars every time I publish. But I haven't been spending any money. Have I? Is it going down? It's not going down. Look at that. We can only make money in this game. In this world, everything's free and you can only make money. Maybe I can. Oh, that would make sense, wouldn't it? Bam. Wow, Marco. Thank you so much for your help. As is a recurring theme, I am completely inept at figuring out these mechanics. And that's just the way things go. That's right. We're gonna... I didn't want to stop my publishing. Jeez. Jeez! Yeah, this reminds me of Adventure Capitalist. Which, sad story, I was playing on my phone for ages and ages and like months. Constantly. And I was doing so well, too. And then I lost all my progress because my phone got destroyed. And needless to say, I never went back. Unrecoverable progress. Let's all have a moment of silence for this loss of progress. Okay. Yeah. I totally agree. Eventually I will upload all of these really great quality videos onto YouTube so that anyone who missed it live can come see their gameplay. I don't know why there's two different modes to upgrade. Like, what is like one speed maybe and the other's... Oh, speed, like an arrow. Okay, that's the fastness of it. And this upgrades the amount of stuff you get for it. Yeah? Is that seems like logic? That seems logical. You don't have VODs enabled. That's correct. And I did that totally on purpose and not because I have no idea what that is. Okay, so we've upgraded our speed quite a bit. Now we can publish much faster. High quality gameplay. I am recording in tandem onto my hard disk drive that is on my computer place. So I don't know if that has anything to do with it. Remember, I'm new to this whole thing and still learning every day. I just figured, man, it'd be great to do some live streaming and have a hobby outside of other stuff. Oh, I see. Yeah, I probably could do that and it'd probably be much easier on my life, but I also want to learn how to do some basic video editing and stuff. You know, I've got to become a solely donation and YouTube Twitch based income, because that's really the way to make your life the best, to live your best life. That's, you know, that's just my plan. I'm gonna make it big. Absolutely. I'm gonna be the proest. You guys are gonna look back on this now and be like, hey, I vaguely remember seeing that guy one time during a game jam. He was terrible. I'm glad he made it somehow. Yes, that'll be me. Oh yeah, so much cash, so much revenue, so much win. It's gonna be great. Man, this now that I figured out all the mechanics, this game is so much better. Thank you for helping my inept brain work on the brain things. Like, it really was, it was lovely. See, this thing, I'm still a little confused about this upgrade. Like, I don't know. Is it, oh, does it increase this number over here? Okay, that makes more sense. There's no level feedback either. I think we're gonna be done with this one. I think we've seen all that we can see. Just overall, a game like this needs good feedback. It just does. Just, you can't have a game like this and have questionable feedback. You just can't. Overall, I'm gonna give it a 3 for questionable feedback. I did have to have help to figure out. I mean, and that's a little harsh. Our last game for the last game jam, literally, you couldn't actually get into the game. You just couldn't. You couldn't figure out how. I challenge you to try and figure out anything. You can use an achieve goal too, an actual goal. Okay, I have actual goals, and that is, okay, I don't have actual goals, but I'll try. I'll figure something out. My goal right now is honestly just distract myself from my life and enjoy the moments. Meta-ness quality, it was an alright parody. Uniqueness is just a parody. Gameplay innovation could use some work. Fun, I mean, it is fun. I love these type of games for some reason, some god-awful reason. Oh, yeah. The game goal. I knew that. That's exactly what I was referring to. Yeah, it would be great if there was a goal. Like, even all those other games, Cookie Clicker, Adventure Capitalist, there's always that stretch goal of, like, getting to those high tiers. And being published was very expensive, so it was almost too expensive. Listen, okay, the state of my life is wonderful. Everything is awesome. Was there any sound? I don't think there was any sound. Aesthetics, it looks alright. I'm gonna give it a 4-star on that one. This is pretty interesting. I think you need a bit more clear feedback. Overall, I was a bit confused. It would be nice to see what level your thingies are. That's the technical term. That's it. That's all I'm gonna say. Great work. That about sums it up. I think that's fine. Alright. Let's move on. That was Adventure Game Creator. I get it. I got it. Yeah, thingies, man. That's the technical term. That was by Biggiston, and that was a one-man project. And trust me, I know working alone is a lot of frustration. This is also a team of one. This is called SpookyHorrorGame.EXE by One Byte Universe. I love playing horror games, but I also hate them. We have a love, mostly hate relationship. SpookyHorrorGame.EXE. Hello and welcome to SpookyHorrorGame.EXE. I hope you're prepared to be scared and other such things of that variety, because I bet that you are not prepared. That is... Anywho, let's get right into it. First, we need to steal some dramatic main sounds to darken the mood. But enough of that. Let's get some proper rain effects in here. Oh, hell yeah. Let's get the rain. Yeah, now I'm feeling it. This is the stuff, all right. Okay, so it's time to get serious. Let's get serious. Okay, so let me begin. Once upon a time, there was a... No, that's dumb. Okay. So, a long time ago, in a galaxy far, far away, there was... Okay, no. That's even dumber. Let's try this again. Alright. Okay. Okay. I got this. We're loose. We're ready. Here we go. So, just ignore the previous false starts. Please. Okay. Here we go. Okay, so, once upon a long time ago, there was a man named, Steven. Ha! No, Steven's a dumb name. How about Greg? I like Greg. Okay. Yep, we're sticking with Greg. Here we go. Okay, so Greg was a man. No, he didn't look like that. No. Try again. He was less hippie and more nerdy. That's right. Hey, still a little off. He should definitely be lankier. Hell yeah, there we go. No, he's still a little bit too cool. He needs more of a nerd, like closely resemble a Central fan base. Add just a few more small touches. And there we go. There he is. Our protagonist. Bask in his glory. Now, let's get started for reals. Okay, so we get started again. Okay, so once a long time ago, there was a man named Greg. Greg lived in a house. Greg lived in a house. He was tall and lanky and stuff, and it was raining. So, Greg was a normal guy. He wasn't really that attractive or cool. Nobody really cared about him at all. Oh no, Greg's lack of caring friends and family led to him becoming a very bored child who spent all of his time playing video games, doing math, and other lame crap like that. He also kind of smelled a little bit, bathed only semi-regularly, which is normal. On a particularly boring day, Greg decided to walk down his neighborhood creepy yard sale for no real reason. Pro tip, use the arrow keys to move. Oh, I can actually play now? Can I? Question mark? Hey, there we go. Oh, this is one of the things I've given feedback on this game jam. Pro tip, hold X to move faster. And that is the just absolutely insanely large blocks of dialogue at the beginning and at the end. It's like dialogue for 20 minutes, gameplay, dialogue for 20 minutes. It's exactly what we did in our game, and that's actually the point of our game, but that's what makes ours meta, I think. I don't know if that's intentional in these other games. Pro tip. Press Z to jump. Woo! Woohoo! Yippee! Okay, so here we are. Here's where it gets good. Okay, so shh. Quiet down and listen. Hello, Greg, stared the man. How about buying some video games or something? I don't know, replied Greg. I'm not really in the mood for buying video games right now. Also, I've never seen you before in my life. Who are you? That's irrelevant, he replied the man. What really matters is that I have some awesome games, and I actually just literally giving them away. Well, said the man, I mean, some of the games may be possibly possessed and stuff, but a little ghost never hurt anybody. That sounds reasonable, said Greg. What games do you have? Well, said the man, I have a lot of games. The accents are just going to continue to slowly change. More specifically, oh, Whoa, said Greg. Layered is my favorite game of all time. I don't know. I'm not. Oh no, said the man. Not Layered 64. This godforsaken game has ruined my entire life. Please, take it! That doesn't seem suspicious at all. I'll take it, replied Greg. May God save your soul, responded the man. Also, he disappeared or something. I don't know. Wow, Greg said to himself. That seemed normal. Time to go home and play this new video game. Maybe we'll walk into this other person's house. Because I don't like following what you tell me to do. Screw you. I'm jumping now. Hey, you. Stop trying to break my game and get back to the pasta. Okay, I'm sorry. Game shamed. How did you know? I like that if you continue to jump, he does like 1 foot out. It's like he's hopping on one leg because his other foot is just like continuously out in front. Really great graphics. I love how many stars there are in the sky and how bright and huge they are. I also love how the text is incredibly hard to read because the font is so awkward. Let's turn that down just a smidge. Just a smidge. Inserting Laird into the game box, Greg started his new game with a huge smile on his face. Oh, poor Greg, unaware of the true horrors that lie ahead of him. Unfortunately, I don't really know the true horrors that lie ahead of him either. So let me think of something real quick. This is like playing D&D, but the premise is you're playing a guy. Okay, I've got it. So, right away, Greg knew there was something subtly off. Nothing major, but this definitely wasn't the... I don't know what that's supposed to be. Lario! That Greg remembered. It was more red than usual. Now, Greg wasn't one to jump to conclusions, but the deep red tint of the screen scarily reminded him of, wait for it, blood and other red-colored objects. Mainly blood, though, actually. It just looked like blood. Anyhow, ignoring this probably meaningless event, Greg continued onwards, waiting for the familiar title screen to show up. And waiting. Here we go. Anyways, along with the typical friendly title screen, a familiar song began to play. Greg, overcome with nostalgia from his favorite game of all time he didn't own, began to cry for like a few minutes. Busy with this, Greg failed to notice the sudden slight change in atmosphere that took place on the screen as he pressed the play button. Anywho, while Greg did manage to miss the sudden tint change, he did not fail to miss the lack of file select screen that should have appeared when starting the game. See, this is scary because while there should have been a file select screen here, there wasn't. There was none at all. Anywho, Greg ignored this and simply restarted the game, assuming that this was simply a small technical error that resulted from faulty wiring inside the game cartridge he received. Very wordy. Greg did not expect to see what he saw when the game started, however. A solitary message consisting of 10 simple, grammatically incorrect words. Hello, Greg. It is I, the ghost that is alive inside this game cartridge. You are die now. While a message like this would normally horribly terrify Greg, the abhorrent spelling and over-dramatic tone of this message preventing him from being scared enough to stop the game. Therefore, Greg kept marching onwards, assuming that his message must have been a simple programming error, or maybe a prank, and nothing further. Unlike last time, however, the title screen did not show up at all. Instead, it booted directly into the game. Greg thought nothing of this again and, for like the millionth time, started playing the game. Happy that the game started at all. Hey, no, wait, okay, so the game is supposed to be haunted, not broken. Get back down there and stop ruining my story. Hey, I can't. Thank you for that little tidbit. I do love trying to do stuff that I'm not supposed to. This is like subtly jazzy. I'm digging it. Oh yeah, walking in a game as Greg, the main character. Creepy, 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 creepy pasta. Now, Lario may have been Greg's favorite game of all time, but he was no expert on it. Even still, some aspects of the game did strike him as odd. First of all, there was no HUD. Greg very specifically remembers Lario having a very pronounced and colorful HUD. Second of all, Lario's player model looked awfully familiar to Greg in real life. Like, he wasn't sure if it was just a coincidence or if it was something more sinister. Oh, I can dash and jump, obviously. Third of all, he was confident that Lario 64 was a 3D platformer, playful and happy music. He wasn't 100% sure, but he didn't think this game was a 3D platformer. The user also didn't seem that happy. It's so hard to read and jump at the same time. Other than those small bugs, however, everything in the game seemed completely normal so far. Oh well. Oh no. Really? The jumping mechanics are so hard! Am I even supposed to be able to get up there? Jeezy Pete, come on, Greg. Okay, well, we're gonna just assume that I can't get up there. Oh no. This is a corner. I'm gonna have to figure it out. Come on, Greg. I need you to stop sucking so epically, Greg. Come on, Greg. How? Greg, you can do it. If you can't do it, then we can't progress in the game. Activate the axe seems good. Yes, I agree. Whoa! Oh my god. Maybe I can't climb a wall. We're gonna try it. No? Greg, you're breaking my balls, man. Family friendly. My bocce balls. Well, I'm not entirely certain, but I feel like I'm really terrible at this. This doesn't seem like it should be that hard, but this gap is freaking ginormous. Come on, Greg. Come on, Greg. We played through this whole thing and you're gonna ruin it now? Is there something else I can... Is there any way to make this easier? No. I want to know how this ends. I can't get to the other mushroom. Greg, you're killing me, bro. Come on, we're gonna try and jump while we're off the mushroom. No, developer, how could you have done this to me? Is anyone supposed to be able to get past this? Okay, we gotta go look at some comments. Holding the C button. Mushroom platforms, 2 pairs fall through the platform 99. I just tested and the experience with no issue with the mushroom platforms. I'm not sure what's happening here. I honestly have no idea what's causing that issue. Sorry that's happening to you, and hopefully the beginning of the game was average enough to not completely ruin your impression of it. I would implement a way to cheat and bypass this section, but I'm not currently home right now and I don't have any way to access the project. Also, I don't really want to edit the game during the jam it was entered into. Wrong! You do want to do that. This is a bug fix. Bug fixes are allowed. Unfortunately, I don't want to see an easy way to fix this issue. Anyway, sorry for the massive bug ruined the game for you, and thanks for taking the time to report this glitch to me. Yeah, 13 days ago. No. Oh, I left the screen. It's okay, I was stuck anyway. I got stuck as well. Please, bug fix. I was so enjoying this game. It was great. I had voices and stuff. But alas, I couldn't mushroom properly. So sad. Bug fix though. Please. Please. I need to know what happened to Greg. I just need to. Thank you. Well, thank you. I'm obviously going to be an amazing voice actor just probably tomorrow. I think I'm going to get a contract tomorrow. I'm going to be off. You're going to hear this voice in every cartoon, in every anime, in every video game from here on out. So I know I have no consistency, but really that's what brings the charm to my stuff. Oh, Lord. We're going to have to go through the whole game again, aren't we? Yeah, we're not doing that right now. Definitely not. Oh, at least we could skip through. If he submits a bug fix, I'll definitely go back to this. It was slowly becoming one of my favorites I played in this jam. And then it went to crap. 0, 0, 1 on everything. I'm so upset. How could you do this to me? Actually, no. I'm going to give it a 3. Meta-ness. I like the meta-ness. It was very unique. I liked the story. Gameplay innovation. I think I have to give it a 2 overall until the bug fixes. Gameplay innovation. It was a little slow for me. A little slow. Like just ginormous blocks of text, which isn't terrible. I just think it could be broken up a little bit more. Fun. You're getting a 1 star. It's a dang bug fix. So mad. Humor. Pretty good humor. Probably would have been 5 stars if I got through the whole thing. I'm not salty or anything. Audio is fine. Aesthetics, it was beautiful. Sorry. We're going to have to mushroom mechanics killed it for me. I really want to get through this. Please upload a bug fix if possible. I need it. I need it. Hashtag SpongeBob. Great work so far. Alright. Well, I gotta say, I really enjoyed this game. I don't know if there's some way to make that section easier. I hope I get a response. I really do. I really do. That was definitely a lot of fun. That was our 7th game of the day, which unfortunately means we're done. We're done for the day. As you can see, we have rated a whole lot of games in this jam. So many games. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. what is that? 13 times 6 plus 1. That's 79 games plus 3 that we haven't been able to get to work. 2 that we haven't been able to get to work, and 1 is our own, for a total of 82 out of 117 entries. So we are well on our way. There have been times when I wanted to rage at a Ludum Dare game. I had to keep my cool because the devs were watching. You know what? I'm just a fairly calm and collected person overall. Rage is an important part of gameplay. It just is. It's very important. And one of my notes on a lot of these games is they're way too forgiving. Way too forgiving. You should always go for less forgiving first. Another read I have for our own game. It was pretty darn forgiving, but I mean, that was the point. It was the point. So, hey, I get fired up because I just want to have a great experience, and I want people to know that the experience is great. So that's all I'm saying. I am going to end that here for today. I hope to get these videos uploaded to YouTube someday, but that's a whole nother beast that I have no experience with. And so, you know, it's been great. Thanks for the raid, guys. It was very nice meeting you both. Thanks for sticking around. And I will see you sometime in the future. Obligatory stop stream look. Bye. That's it.